Hello and welcome back to the December 2024 Sky Report. My name is Vanessa and I'm going to tell you about a few of the interesting things happening in our skies this month. Let's get started. First up this month, on December 4th, the Moon and the planet Venus will be very close to each other above the western horizon just after sunset. The planet Venus will be above and to the right of the nearly 15% crescent moon. They'll be about 2.5 degrees apart from each other. Venus is extremely bright, so this event is hard to miss. On the evening of December 7th, after sunset, you'll see Saturn and the Moon slowly moving closer together as they make their way across our sky. Right before they set at around 10:45 p.m., they will be at their closest for the evening. On the other side of the planet, they will see the Moon cover Saturn in an event called an occultation. Take some binoculars out to see the Moon and Saturn at just under 2 degrees apart from each other on the western horizon. Jupiter also reaches opposition on December 7th. This means that the Earth has reached its closest point to Jupiter in its orbit for the year. This also means that on this day, Jupiter rises as the Sun sets, so observers can spend the entire night watching the planet. Here it is, seen in the rising constellation of Taurus the Bull. The winter solstice is on December 21st, and it is the shortest day of the year and the longest night. It is also the first official day of winter. The exact moment of solstice is at 1:19 a.m. The sun is at its lowest declination for the year at -23 degrees. Let's take a look at the constellations that will be out this month. In the middle of the month and to the south, we have the bright constellations of Orion, Taurus, Canis Major, Canis Minor, Aquarius on the right, and Pegasus above that. Here, looking to the east and northeast, we can see the constellations Gemini and Auriga rising high up in the sky, and along with them they bring the winter hexagon. The winter hexagon contains some of the brightest stars in the winter sky: Aldebaran, Rigel, Sirius, Procyon, Pollux, and Capella. Ursa Major can be seen in the north, carrying with it the Big Dipper. The Big Dipper can now be seen rising up and tipping over on the northeastern horizon. We also see one more planet we haven't talked about yet, rising with these constellations: Mars. Mars will rise with Cancer the Crab. From here in Los Angeles, we can't easily see any of the stars in the constellation of Cancer due to light pollution. However, this month, you'll know you're looking towards the constellation thanks to the planet Mars. And here in the west, here are the constellations we're saying goodbye to this month. We have Aquarius dipping below the horizon, along with Cygnus the Swan. The nose of Pegasus is about to touch the horizon, dragging Andromeda and Cassiopeia behind it. The planet Saturn also sets fairly early in the night now. And here is your lunar calendar for December. First quarter is on the 8th. Full moon is on the 15th, last quarter is on the 22nd, and the new moon is on the 30th. That's all I have for December, and thank you so much for joining me not only this month, but the entire year, and I'll see you again next year. Bye!